Yo, everyone, what's up? My name is Uz, and this is Uzi, and I'm here for another unboxing. You're probably wondering what I'm gonna be unboxing for today, but I think you must all know that there was a recent drop of Air Jordans. Again, once more, it's Air Jordans, and this sneakers or basketball shoes is probably like one of the weirdest drop that I've or release that I've ever came across, because it for somehow it was not hype and then become suddenly hype and eventually got sold out. But lucky for me, I was able to cop a pair, so I want to share this one with you. Now I'm going to show you first, of course, the box. This is this. I think this is how they put it, or I don't know. Okay, guys, I've opened the box right now, and this is the I would say not hype and then become hype, or whatever you call, whatever you want to call it. But this is the shoes, the Jordan 1 Gym Red. Okay, let's take a look. This one, it's pretty much on the same like color as of the not for resale, and pretty much on the same approach actually. If I don't have the not for resale ones, I wasn't able to grab one. But when I noticed at the back as well, even this is I think it's almost the same. Correct me if I'm not. And I think the only difference is like the swoosh is like black, right? And of course the not for resale print, the ones in the tongue. So but this one is the standard tongue, Nike Air tongue, so it's really clean. Now you can even see the spacing, right? It's just perfect. Let's see the other one. This is the other print. So yeah, now right, okay, this one has a lower, the Nike Air, and this one has like a little bit sits higher. But again, this comes from a legit sneaker store here, so I think this is like another factory default or factory factory fold something. But still, so at least now you can see that there's some factory faults. You may think that it's you know, it would matter on your legit checks. But again, just to show you again the difference on the top. Okay, let us continue. There's only one extra laces. Comes in red, and this is how it comes out. So really snug in there, really fits on the plastic. Okay, same shoe tree. Just right there. Nothing much of a difference on the other side. There you go. Great. So pretty much it's very straightforward, including the sole. It's black. To be honest with me, this is beautiful, right? Do you agree? I would say that I'm really glad that I decided to pick one, because my attitude towards collecting is, if I like the colorway, I would grab it, you know. Even if it says, like, initially you would think, because a lot of people would see if there was a hype, the prices, the resale price is gonna be high. Sometimes that's their basis, but for me it's not my basis. It's pretty much, if it's Air Jordan 1, that's for sure, that when I look into it, if I like the colorway, and then if I like the colorway, I would definitely have it. So yeah, there we go. This is the Air Jordan 1 my OG Gym Red, and for me it's a must cop for Air Jordan 1 collectors. It's because the materials are now better, considering that Nike has improved a lot of materials for Air Jordan 1, and I think this is a very nice pair to have. So I'll do a shout out to my brother in the Philippines. What's up, bro? And check his shop out. If you're in there in the south, it's in Las Piñas. It's Vapors Icons. They have two stations in Las Piñas, and you might come across in vlogs. I mean, that's his vlog. Is Yo Papi Vlogs. There you go, bro. Shout out to you, bro. I'll see you soon, man. So I do a shout out as well to my sister Abby, and the husband Bronx Pereira, who owns the Bronx E-Liquid. So if you're into vape as well, please do check their liquids out there. Have amazing selection of liquids. I want to say shout out to my brothers in sneakers. That's gonna be in DXBS. Shout out to you guys, and also want to do a shout out to Basketballista. All right, for this pair right here, for the Gym Red. Appreciate you guys, and once more, thank you. Okay, I want to do a shout out to my co-admins and moderators in Soul PH. So want to check out that Facebook page. Just type in Soul PH. All right, I hope you guys enjoy this short and sweet unboxing, and gonna have another unboxing pretty much soon, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, or if you have any comments, or just please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.